Special thanks to Legit Phones on Instagram for providing today's test sample. Check them out on Instagram for all your genuine tech gadgets and accessories. Check them out at the link in the description. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Norbert and today we'll be looking at the Smart Sensor S5 wireless charger. Now the S5 is a wireless car charger that you use to obviously give your older vehicle the ability to wirelessly charge, or even a newer vehicle that you might have spec'd a bit on the lower side, and so it doesn't have all the bells and whistles. Okay, so looking at the box, on the underside you get your specs and a little diagram showing you how it is mounted. On the side you get a little label with the name of the product. Alright, opening it up inside, you get your charger sitting right at the top, looking at you in the face, wrapped in this plastic bag. Underneath that you get a charging cable as well as two pieces that you use to mount your charger onto an air vent. You also get a little piece of paper with a few instructions, not much but just enough to get you going. Okay, so looking at the charger, it actually looks quite nice. Looks a bit futuristic. It's black mainly with silver accents. I think I'd prefer it if it was completely black, but yeah, you get what you get. And the way it works is you just slide your phone in from the top and boom, it should charge automatically. The way you mount it is you first clip the back part onto an air vent and then slide on the little plastic nut and snap it onto the back of the charger. Then tighten up that nut and you can then slot in your phone. The S5 also uses a USB-C connector, which is why you have a USB-C cable in the box. The S5 has a 5-volt 2-amp power rating, so you should expect some, not the fastest wireless charging, but fast enough that your phone battery won't drop while you're using it for navigation and the like. It does sit on an air vent, so if you're using AC, that will help keep your phone a bit cooler. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button, get subscribed if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.